Can't wait to eat. Bestie! They're still open. Hey, bestie! Well, I talked to you about stuff, so I'm gonna see what I'm gonna order. I got my food. I already said grace. I'm gonna show you guys my food. I'm so hungry. I got chicken teriyaki. They gave me this salad. I mean, I'm hungry. I didn't even order it. And then my salmon that I ordered, and they gave me extra lettuce. I got my extra teriyaki sauce, of course. I ordered that on the side. And then they gave me this mystery thing. And it doesn't smell too good, but I'm actually still gonna try it because why not? I got rice. Here's my rice. Oh, I can't wait to eat. Let's eat. Let's eat. Oh, turn on the heat because it's so cold. And of course, I got water. Oh, I can't wait to eat. Oh my gosh, guys. My phone off. Just about to eat it. Let me just eat it. I'm glad I asked for more salt. This was about to be so dry. I'm putting soy sauce on it because it's actually very dry. Not extremely dry, but it's pretty dry. A little flavorless, but I just start opening up my salad. Just take the cucumber. I just took the cucumber, put it here. Mmm. 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 Sauce is so good. The onions? Mm-hmm. Getting into it is so good. Mm. I'm glad I didn't get any more. Look at this filling. Guys, this is so good. Mm. Wow, filling. Why is my stomach growling? Mmm. More rice would be great. The salad they surprisingly gave me. Why did I feel like salad and teriyaki shouldn't mix? What are you guys eating? Mmm. Mmm. I love cucumber. What are you guys eating? I want to know if you guys eat with me. Oh, that was a bit spicy at the end. Next, I'm gonna try this. What I would rate this is the ending was weird, kind of off-putting. Guys, honestly, when I make YouTube videos, I really feel like I'm with you guys when I make them in public specifically. So I have salmon now. I can't wait to eat the salmon. The last part of the teriyaki wasn't that good. Put some chopsticks wasn't in my bag. Okay, and then there's lettuce. Oh, it smells weird. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's like tofu. I know tomorrow's gonna be a better day.